What's going on, boys and girls? Today's my birthday. I'm 57 years old today, and I wanted to do something special today. And I did do something special. I went fishing this morning and lounged around, played some games on the computer. I made me some chitlins. I got some chitlins over there in the pot. But now these are the kind that were kind of in the you can't really see them. They were the kind that were in the container already cooked. And you know what? Ain't nothing like your own chitlins, because these chitlins taste like they taste like pickled chitlins. So I'm gonna have to dress them up. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about I wanted some cornbread. So at least I'm gonna make something that's gonna be homemade. So it's gonna be my cornbread. Hopefully this is a fast video. Hope you enjoy it. Alrighty, so here are the ingredients. Here we got 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, a third of a cup of sugar. We've got 1 teaspoon of salt, and what I've got is my salt guide. I've got house seasoning. House seasoning is made of salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. I've got about a half of a teaspoon of paprika, half of a fourth of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a fourth of a teaspoon of cinnamon. And we also have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We got a cup of buttermilk and 1 egg. We're going to put the dry ingredients together first. All right, and least I forget, you can also use some oil in there, in this here. You can use corn oil, you can use coconut oil. Mine is bacon grease. Yeah, this is my recipe. You can put canola oil in yours. This is my recipe, doggone it. Alrighty, let's add our dry ingredients. There's our cornmeal and our flour and our sugar. And this is raw sugar here. Our other dry spices here. We're going to mix those up thoroughly. Okay, once you get those mixed up, also I've got a 12-cup muffin pan. I've got my oven preheated to 400 degrees. So once you do that, we're going to go ahead and crack our egg. This out of the way here. Directly into there. And we're going to add our oil in there. And yes, it is bacon grease. It is not canola oil. Bacon grease is good for you. I know some folks don't like to eat the pig, but you know, the pig would eat you. And now we're going to put our buttermilk in there. And that was a joke, guys, so don't be tripping. Now, I should have mixed the egg before I put it in there. Should have broken the egg down, but I didn't. So we're going to mix this. Now, you don't want to overly mix this either, guys. Sometimes you do have to add a little bit more buttermilk, because buttermilk is kind of on the thick side, and I think I'll have to add a little bit more. All right, we're going to add just a little bit more buttermilk in here. Again, you don't want to over mix this stuff here, because it'll affect the quality of your cornbread or your corn muffins. That's about how you want it to be. Okay, then we're going to spoon it into the muffin tin. All right, the way I'm putting these in here is I'm taking this big spoon here. I'm just taking a heaping spoonful and putting it down in there like that. You can use an ice cream scoop for this as well. Now that looks kind of messy, so you want to wipe off all this excess up here, guys, and you will have enough for just about 12 of them. Actually, I should have been using this thing right here all along, because it does better than that doggone wooden spoon. This spatula here. Again, let's just make it look nice and neato, because that stuff will just kind of burn up there. And then we're going to throw it in the oven. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes, and we'll know if they're done if you can stick a toothpick in them and it comes out clean, and it came out pretty clean to me. So they are done. Time to eat. Also, what you can do is you can rub a little butter on them as well. Uh-oh, that one didn't do right. Rub a little bit of butter on each one of them. And I know they're going to taste good, guys, because I ate some of the batter, and the batter was delicious. Oh my God. All right, but you get the drift here. These are just some really good corn muffins. And this is my birthday meal. Some chitlins, some potato salad, and some homemade cornbread. Again, the chitlins, I didn't make those. I bought those already pre-cooked, and they had too much vinegar in them. I mean, I spiced them up. I spiced them up big time, so they actually are edible now. And I'm not going to say what company makes them, but they're a real good company that's supposed to do a good job on chitlins. But I don't know. Peace, guys. Happy birthday to me.